Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 85, Lost. Here is another puzzle for you, a lateral thinking puzzle. I hope you enjoy this one the same as you've enjoyed all the others, and thank you once again for all the positive feedback. Here we go. A sacked pilot lost his wife, his house, his car, and all his friends. What did he lose first? A clue will be given on the next slide. Good luck with this one. Try and solve it because it's very satisfying if you can. And exactly 2 minutes time, I will give you a clue if you need it. Okay, as promised, here is your clue. I'm not sure whether you needed it or not, but here it is. So the puzzle was a sacked pilot lost his wife, his house, his car, and all his friends. What did he lose first? And the clue is, what was his profession? The answer is on the next slide, and I'll give you that answer in exactly 1 minute's time. Okay, as promised, here is your answer. I wonder how you went. The answer, his job, because it starts off with saying a sacked pilot. So he lost his job first. I hope you enjoyed this puzzle the same as you've enjoyed all the others. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And the next slide is coming right up.